Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the April 2025 manifestation box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I have been doing this in collaboration with Rena over at Boxes and Deals for some time. We're now doing this every other month together. I'm showing you the manifestation box, and she's going to show you the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So once you see what's inside of here, pop on over to her video, see what she gets in the wrap club, and then you can see both variations for this month. See which one you would like to do. If you would like to sign up for yourself or for another, you can at least see both variations and decide for yourself. So I will have her video linked down below with her channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and give her a subscribe when you're there. It's free. You will love her. She does so many different things like I do with different unboxings and stuff like that. So definitely go check out Rena and her Mother Earth Wrap Club. So let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box. Again, I'm super excited to see what's going to be in here. I love all of the crystals, the jewelry, the meaning, everything behind it. So let's dive in. All right, you guys. So first up, you always have a handwritten card from the owner right on top. Attention to detail, spot on. Handwritten card right on top. You always have a really pretty sticker that holds the tissue paper together. And that is this month's. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then removing that, a sneak peek to inside is right here. So for this one being the manifestation box, you will always have two meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, whatever you'd like. You have the paper that's going over what we're working with for the month. You have your own astrology, so you can see your own horoscope for the month as well. You will have a bracelet, a necklace, and a healing crystal. That's everything that's included in this one. And for the same price, you can do the wrap bracelet, which you have the beautiful wrap bracelet. And then you always have a little surprise. You don't get all that other stuff in there. You get the main wrap bracelet, and then you have a little surprise that's just for you to have a little surprise every single month, which is awesome as well. So that one's mainly for the wrap bracelet. It wraps around a few times. They are super, super beautiful and stunning. But again, you will see that over on Rena's channel. Okay, so let's start with all the paperwork first, and then we'll dive into the actual jewelry. Here are both of those meditation cards that I told you about. And here is this month's. Again, you can keep them both. You can gift them both. You can do whatever, but you do have two of them, and they're always different every single month. And then here is the paper that we're going to be working with for this month. And it says Finding Your Voice. That's what we're going to be working with this month, is finding your voice. And I am a Scorpio, so I have this whole astrology right here for Scorpio to read for the month. I can see what's going on. I love that. When you do sign up, you answer some questions. You tell them what your zodiac sign is so they know which horoscope to send to you. You tell them the your wrist size and the length of the necklace, and then they take all of that into consideration and they make it just for you. There's also some photos of like their beautiful jewelry and other stuff that they have. You can purchase all types of stuff individually on their website, and my code SheCrafty will get you 20% off your very first subscription box, either one, or it'll get you 20% off their online shop. I've purchased several things on their online shop for myself, for gifts. You can see all kinds of amazing stuff on their website. Everything will be linked down below for you. All right, you guys, so now that we are done with all the paperwork, now let's dive into the main attraction. Let's go with the necklace first, and then we'll get into the other one, which is the bracelet and the healing crystal. They always come down in one of these boxes. You can store your jewelry in them if you would like. And ooh, it is blue sediment jasper. You always get one of these cards as well. I love that because I can pretty much read everything on there. They're self-explanatory. They have a picture. So if you're ever trying to figure out what crystal was this again, you can kind of match it up, read on it, see what it's about, what it does, what it's good for. I love these. I keep all of these cards. So here is the one for this month. I'll read it in just a moment. Let's get the, ooh, that's a big guy. That is a big old piece of that jasper right there. Okay, so for this one right here, it says the blue sediment jasper is a soothing stone that symbolizes calmness, tranquility, and emotional clarity. It encourages deep inner peace and helps balance the mind and spirit, making an excellent choice for meditation and reflection. It promotes effective communication, enhancing intuition, and alleviating stress. This stone aids in releasing negative emotions and fosters a sense of serenity. That's absolutely amazing. It is on a silver chain. Most of the time, the jewelry is all on a silver chain. Every now and then you might see a gold or a rose gold, but it's mainly silver. And that's my jam, so I am not going to complain one bit. And then here is the actual stone. Again, that is a big stone this month, but at least it's not too heavy. So on here, I was sitting here trying to think like why it wasn't connecting, but it did connect. And the other side is unconnected, like from the little hoop that it's in. So I need to get like little thin plier things and shove it in there and clamp it back so I can actually use it. But it is, yeah, see, that one is fine. And the other one is just like hanging like that's supposed to be connected to down there. So I got to fix that and then it'll be good to go. And now that I am kind of holding it, it does kind of feel like it does have obviously some weight to it. It's not as heavy as I would think for it being this big, but it does have a little bit of weight to it, just so you know. So there's that. And then let's go ahead and go in with the bracelet and the healing crystal. Could not think of that for a second. You have your cards for both of them. And then down inside, ooh. So I'm going to assume this is, yeah, because this is more of a green. It's like kind of like a little egg, like a mint green kind of color. And it is a, I'm not sure, I'm not going to butcher that name, but that is the name of the stone. This one here says it heals the inner child, releasing emotions locked in since childhood. It can mend a broken heart, heal relationships, and transmute negative emotions into positive ones. It helps one to overcome compulsive or impulsive anger thoughts and behavior and turns your attention into positive events. That sounds like an amazing one to always have on us. So here is the healing crystal for this month. Again, I love these cards. I love that we always get a little healing crystal. And sometimes it can be like a bigger one. It could be an egg shape, but we always have some type of a healing crystal. And then the bracelet, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. A few months back, we got a purple one like this that was on a chain like that. And that was the first time ever receiving a bracelet like this. Normally you just slide them right on. They're on an elastic band. This one, however, is like fixed. And then it just has the little extra to adjust it on the bottom right there. But look at all of those colors. Look at how beautiful. And you know, these colors are definitely my jam. I love blues, teals, aquas, mints, sage. All of those colors are just, I love them. So this is Lamar. And it is a powerful stone for promoting clear communication and emotional expression. Known for its calming blue tones, it encourages openness and honesty, helping to release emotional blockage and enhance meaningful dialogue. It improves self-expression, fostering peaceful communication, supports speaking your truth with confidence and compassion. I don't need anything to help me speak my truth. I just speak it. But this is super, super pretty. Let me see if I can get this thing on. I have a thing now. That's why I like the other ones. You can just slide them on and you don't have to worry about anything. I like simplicity, but let's see if I can get this on. I can't get this thing on by myself. I've literally have been sitting here for several minutes trying to get this thing on myself and I can't. So I have to wait for my man to get home so he can put this on. That's why I like the other one so much easier. They just slide on. And that is the bracelet then for this April box. So that is everything for the manifestation box. You have this bracelet with the gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You have your healing crystal, and then you have this big old guy here that All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for this April manifestation box. Don't forget to pop on over to Rena so you can see the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I cannot wait to see what she gets. Sometimes they're the same crystals, sometimes they're completely different. So I cannot wait to see what she has in her box. Definitely go and check that out. If you would like some more information about this box as far as the pricing goes, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty to save you 20% off the online shop or your very first box. Rena has her own code as well. It doesn't do anything for us. It just saves for you. So you can use hers or mine, whichever, as long as you do save that money. That's great. So they're both the same pricing for the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club. They're exactly the same. So month per month, box per box, it's $39. If you want to save money and do a 3-month plan, it brings it down to $36. A 6-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $34, and going to a full 12-month term will bring your box price down to $33 per box. She also donates and gives back. You can definitely check out her site. You can see all of that information on there. It's absolutely amazing. I love the jewelry. I love the stones. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I love these blue tones this month because that's my jam for sure. But don't forget, I will have them down below in the description box. You can follow that to go see what they have if you would like to check out their online shop or either of the 2 subscriptions. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the pieces? Which one did you like better, this one or the one Rena got? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.